AI helps prevent losing customers. If someone hasn't logged in for a while or keeps ignoring emails, AI will notice and remind the manager this client has been inactive for 3 days. But first, let's start simple. We need to ensure the customer doesn't get lost after the pay. And the solution? Automating the account handoff with Zapier. As soon as a deal in the CRM changes to paid, Zapier automatically notifies the account management team in Slack or via email. A manager picks it up and starts working with the customer. It is simple setup, but it already helps make sure no customers are forgotten. Next, we will cover how to get managers involved right away and how to let AI handle everything. Now let's add some logic. Not every customer needs to be handed off. For example, if someone buys the basic plan with no support, there is no reason to assign them to account manager. So we set up filters: contract amount, plan type, customer terms, and support needs. Zapier runs the filter. If the customer actually requires a handoff, it assigns the right manager. You can set up the distribution based on location, workloads, or specialization. Next, we send an email with the customer details and also post the same update in Slack or Teams if that's where the team works. To avoid the usual "so what does your company do?" question, we automatically generate a sales deck with a short company overview for the account manager. And most importantly, to make sure the customer isn't left unattended, we automatically create tasks in Asana along with a notification. This makes the process more structured and managers get all the information they need without extra steps. In expert mode, AI makes the handoff even smoother. AI can automatically check if all the key information is there before sales passes the client to the account managers. Like, this client has no listed contacts. Confirm who is in charge on their side. It also writes better intro emails. Instead of the generic "Hey, I'm your new manager," AI reads the past conversations, figure out what matters to the client, and personalize the messages like, "Hey Alex, I know integration is a top priority for you. Let's go over it in our first call." AI also enriches the sales deck with external data. If the company just raised funding or there is a regulatory change in the industry, the manager sees it right away and can adjust their strategy. What is more, AI tracks tone too. If a client sounds annoyed, it suggests figuring out what's wrong before making offers. And if they seem happy, it hints that it might be the right time for the upsell. AI helps prevent losing customers. If someone hasn't logged in for a while or keeps ignoring emails, AI will notice and remind the manager, "This client has been inactive for 3 days. Check in and see if everything's okay."